Packet Tracer build a connected factory solution. So first objectives is to explore the connected factory. Build a connected factory solution of personal importance to you. Background and scenario. In this activity, you will explore the connected factory example. So these are the example. You will then build your own model of a connected factory that incorporates an area of personal interest to you. So in first part of the experiment, explore the connected factory. So first step, review and the glazing company overview page. So click any PC in the warehouse. So let's go in the warehouse. Then open the web browser for the desktop tab. So first let's find PC. So PCPT WPC2. So open desktop, then web browser, then let's type web server, then press go. So review the company description information. Glaze Company, it is a company that makes ceramic coatings for space capsule, autoclaves, and ships, so on and so on. Then, once the information has been reviewed, close the PC. Run the classic car. The owner keeps a classic car, the old car in PT in the warehouse that needs to be run occasionally. Start the engine by holding the Alt key and clicking the classic car. So, press Alt key, then click the classic car. It releases smoke, then the window opened, then the north fan turned on, then the south fan turned on. And let's stop the engine. So, review the connected factory network settings. Go back. Click the factory building to see its layout. So, this is the factory. Then, find the FIT laptop and open the text editor inside the desktop tab. So, this is the laptop. Then, desktop and text editor, file, open, IP network text. Then, these are the information that we can find in laptop. So, Glaze and Paint Factory PT activities, IP network, cluster area, IP addresses, then ports, websites, port, IP addresses, then close the text editor. Use browser to monitor factory sensor settings. So, open this one, then web browser. Then let's check the assembly area by typing factory, assembly area, assembly password, and username. Assembly. These are the devices that we can find in assembly area. Temperature sensor, assembly fan 2, start process running, speed warning, clay, flex sensor, assembly fire sprinkler, assembly fan 1, RFID reader, process indicator. So let's check it one by one. So temperature is in -2. Assembly fan is turned off. We can turn it on, low and high. Start process na remote control API running. Light, dim and on. Speed warning. It is turned off. The remote control API. Assembly fire sprinkler status turned off. Assembly 1 turned off. RFID reader valid, invalid, and waiting. Process indicator, no remote control API. So let's check the preparation area. So type factory prep. So these are the devices that is connected in preparation area. So temp, CP fan, CP humidifier, casting, and window. So in temp 12.2 12.2 degrees Celsius. The ceiling fan is turned off. 55 humidifier turned off. Clay casting off. Then window is closed. Then let's check the power station by typing factory First, let's go back here, power station. Then let's type username PS, password PS. Then, so this is the power station with the battery and wind turbine. So PS battery available power is 100%, as you can see. The bar is complete. And wind turbine power output 44 kilowatts per hour. So it will depends on the wind. So let's close this one. So build a connected factory solution of personal importance to you. Build a connected factory solution of personal importance to you and add it to the connected factory. So let's go to warehouse. Then I chose no casting factory. I choose let's insert fan in glazing, showroom, and an aircon in office. So first let's add home gateway in network device, then wireless devices, home gateway, then let's add smartphone and device, then smart device. So home gateway is for connection and smartphone is for control. So let's add name on it, factory gateway, then SSID factory gateway. Then its IP address is 192.168.25.1. So connect. Let's connect the smartphone. Config SSID factory gateway. Close. The smartphone will connect to gateway. So let's add the devices. Add to fan. So and device home, then one fan in glazing, one fan in showroom, then one aircon in office. Then let's add thermostat one. Then let's connect the thermostat to air condition using IoT custom cable D0 to D2. Then let's use copper straight through. So pass Ethernet 1, pass Ethernet 2, pass Ethernet 0 to 3, pass Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 4. So let's configure each devices so we can control it using the smartphone. So in first fan, let's configure it. Display name fan 1, then DHCP, remote server, server address, IP address, then admin, connect. Then when the refresh shows it is connected, then fan 2, config settings, fan 2, DHCP, remote server, username admin, password admin. So I use admin because it is the default one. Connect. Then thermostat, config it to, config settings, thermostat, DHCP, remote server IP, admin, connect. Shows refresh, so it is now connected. Condition, let's connect this one to config settings, aircon, DHCP, remote server, admin, connect. So now let's check if it is connected to the smartphone. So desktop, web browser, the IP address, go, default, admin, submit. So, yeah, it is connected now. Fan 1, status, off. Then, let's turn it on, low. You can see. Then, high. Then, showroom, fan 2, the status is turned off. So, turn it on, low, high, and turn off. So, thermostat in office, one aircon and one thermostat. So, thermostat is connected to aircon. So, when we change its status to cooling, it will turn on. Then, when we turn it off, or when we press heating, it will turn off. Then, red is an indicator for turned off. Then, when we press auto, then it will automatically turned on or turned off depends on the temperature of the room or of the office.